In this video, we are going to look at page settings within Elementor. Let's start by creating a new page in WordPress. New pages will have two columns. The left column for your widgets and the right column for basic content. We can use Elementor to redesign the entire page. Before we begin editing with Elementor, we should start by setting up the page settings. Scroll down and view the page layout options. The three important options are Canvas, Full Width, and Theme. You can ignore the other options. Canvas will remove all header, footer, and sidebar content, ideal for landing pages or pages with a different header and footer from the rest of the website. Theme and the default option will revert back to the standard theme design, which includes the sidebar widgets. Finally, the most popular option, Full Width, which allows you to keep the global header and footer design and customize the main page content. A useful thing to remember is to customize the page title. This will help you remember what the page is for. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.